Okay, I'm over here still at Pep Boys getting work done on my car, but I want to make an update because I got the guy's name wrong. I said his name was Cole. I guess I know I need to use my glasses for driving, but I think I need to use my glasses now for dropping off the car. There's a cute doggy, I don't know his name, but he's really sweet, about 3-year-old boxer, she said. And let's film these guys, of course. Here is Manny, Mo, and Jack. Who is who? Is that Manny, Mo, and Jack? I don't know. But anyway, I'm over here, and the guy's name is Kobe. There he is right there. Not Cole. So I said the wrong thing because I'm a dum-dum. And I was so shocked that he let me borrow his charger. I was like, what am I going to do? I'm not going to be able to get my coupons, and I'll only be able to get my 10% off for being a veteran. That's very nice that they do that for us at Pep Boys too. It says service waiting area there, but that's no longer true. That's where it used to be, behind there, when this whole area behind me here was Pep Boys, and now it's not. So anyway, I didn't want to make the wrong information, but his name is not Cole, it's Kobe. He's the one that loaned me his charger, and I will be updating this with my other video. I'll put both. I did write to Pep Boys. I'm going to send this one off to Pep Boys now too, to let them know that the guy's name is Kobe. The other guy's name is Mark, and they did really good by me. And thank you so much. Have a great day. So anyway, if you come here, you can ask for, I guess, Kobe or Mark. If they're here, I'm sure everybody's good, but I can only vouch for those two up front right now. So if you do come in, and maybe you ask for them, and if they're here, they'll take good care of you too, I'm sure. Have a great day, everyone.